Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts. And hey from Tiny Arm. You'll be happy to know that Tiny Arm is actually immune to COVID-19, so don't worry about her. She's all good. We're going to plan today, so that's what we're going to do. So this week is, March 30th through April 4th, and I'm just giving you a little flip through of what our monthly views have looked like. For March, I took one of my red microperm pens and I just put a cross line through all the plans that we had that got canceled because I didn't want to white everything out. But in April, I did white the stuff out. Don't ask me why. I just why I make the decisions I make, I have no idea. And then the last 2 weeks, you can see I didn't use any sticker kits. It's just been kind of weird and insane, and I haven't been in my journals or in my journal or my planner. So what you're seeing is sort of those 2 weeks, I basically just went back in with a pen and then a Mildliner. Sorry, my head is all over this video. So if that annoys you, you might just want to click out now. My hair is clean. I just got out of the shower, which is actually a bonus and a rare occurrence. So put it on your calendar or not. I am using a llama kit from a Shine Sticker Studio. This was a clearance kit from a long time ago, and I just got it to be kind of a filler. I'm disappointed that the last 2 weeks I didn't plan because I had another super cute St. Patrick's Day kit from Shine Sticker Studio and then a really cute birthday kit because my birthday was March 20th. So I spent it at work, which was awesome. But my family, my kids and my husband made sure that I felt very special, as they do every day. So, but I was disappointed that I didn't use that kit. I didn't, I guess I could have back planned and just sort of memory planned in there with the kit. Don't ask me why I didn't, I just didn't. But this kit is not my favorite, but it looked kind of fun, like a no drama llama. I'm just really hoping that this next week is, at least low on the drama Richter scale. Like, I don't know if anything seems low on the drama Richter scale lately. So I'm just trying to, just trying to float through and give my attention to the things that need my attention, like my work and my kids and my husband and my mom and dad, and not give a lot of my attention to Facebook and things like that, because it doesn't make me anxious as much as it makes me irritable. I've been really, really irritable, and I get really angry at people that don't know what they're talking about. So I'm just trying not to put my energy into that. And I usually don't, so it's not too much of a problem, but I just feel like my stress manifests itself in like bitchiness, and I just rip you a new asshole, like up and down and across the other side. I will dress you down, and I want to have some friends after this is all over. So, but this kit is cute and colorful, and so I thought you can't go wrong with llamas and confetti colorful stuff. So I really like that. Like most people who have done plan with me, there's not much to plan exactly, except for, I guess I put those to-do stickers down in the morning. That's going to be kind of a back plan sort of thing, because that's when we have been doing most of our kind of like learning work. Not too much, but our schools are closed, just like all of you. And Michael's home for 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. So he's been kind of spearheading that, which has been such a savior. It's a weird role reversal right now because he's like the breadwinner. He goes to work. He, is the one that goes to work, and I'm usually the one at home. I work part-time. My usual schedule is only 2 8-hour evening shifts a week, which works really well for our family because I kind of am home to do all the home stuff, and he brings home the bacon. Well, I mean, we've got a good, like nest egg. We're not worried, but while he's home, and this time that I work in healthcare, it just makes sense for me to help when I can. And it's not mandatory yet, but I've been signing up a lot extra. So I've been working a ton. And it's sort of a double-edged sword. Like, I don't want to be there to bring home germs to my kids and my husband, so I'm trying really hard not to. But on the other hand, like, it's important that I'm there to support my colleagues and my coworkers. Oh, they were just playing outside and have come in, and someone's crying. What's wrong, Addie? Oh, heaven help us. I don't know what to say except for that's just the days, you guys. Some are good, some are not great. We're just getting by, all of us. So it doesn't have to look any certain way. If you're not doing learning stuff, don't worry about it. Your kids will be fine. We're doing a little bit of stuff because it honestly helps. The structure helps us and them get through the day. So, you do what you can do, and that's all you can do. I used some of the leftover pieces of those stickers that I had trimmed down, the to-do stickers, because to me they looked like confetti. So I just put them all around the page, and that's it. So I had put down on Monday that I had a call-in doctor's appointment for a med check with my doctor, and then my daughter actually has a Zoom ballet a ballet class. I don't know how that's gonna go. And then Tuesday we were supposed to have the guy come look at our roof. That is still unfixed, and that is canceled. But the kids do have their teachers from their school have organized a little parade on Tuesday morning, so they will be driving by at some point. So they're going to be very excited about that, and they're making posters and stuff like that. So that will be something fun. And that's basically all that was really sticker worthy. I wrote in just with my green Pigma Micron that I wrote in my work. I didn't put it on a sticker. And then I highlighted those 2-1 shifts on Monday and Tuesday because those were my regularly scheduled shifts. And I just wanted to make sure that I remembered that. And then just wrote in the other ones in pen so that I knew that those were extras. This little day designer, this little pink planner that you see right there, I had gotten to carry to work instead of this planner just because it was getting really big. My work bag is not that big, and especially now, I didn't want to take my cute planner and get it all gross and germy. So that's just kind of staying at home, and that little pink one had been traveling with me. So a lot of things I have not taken out of my planner yet in the end of April or May, but I'm pretty sure that's all going to get canceled or whiteouted off. So the daily pages, I just use one of my Tombow pens to draw or to write the days of the week. I am so crappy at using these pens and hand lettering in general. It looks terrible. So I don't do it that often. I like it better when I do it with the fine liners, actually. But that's it. That's this week, you guys. I know it's not exciting, and I probably sound a little low energy. I'm actually doing okay. I appreciate you guys reaching out. It means a lot to me, and I'm sorry if it's been a while. I hope you're safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.